Today I'm taking the DOMHOAI Inverter Welder. So we do got a face shield. Got some gloves. Very nice soft gloves as well. Okay, interesting. I feel like a teddy bear. We got the handle for our mask. We got the lenses for our mask. Got a chipping hammer with a wire brush. And we got a handful of stick electrodes. And these appear to be J422s. So here's our stinger. Got a nice spring on there. You can see it does have a star pattern, so you can hold it at different angles. And that is a twist style lock. For our working clamp, basic working clamp, nothing special, but it still will get the job done. Same twist style lock. We got our instructions, and we have got our welder. Nice and small package. Like, this is a fairly thin welder, thinner than I'm used to. We got our on-off switch on the back. It does have active cooling. This is 110 volts. That'll work with a regular household outlet. We got our positive and our negative, and those are very well labeled. Then we got our interface there on the front. So I can definitely say this has a nice long cable. Most welders like this do not come with a cable this long. I'm going to start out with 60 amps. Let's start with a hot start down. I assume this is going to give you a bunch of extra volts at the beginning so you can get your arc started. Don't know if I need that, but we'll find out. We'll play with it. I'm just going to turn that halfway up, see if that makes a difference. We're at 100 amps. Okay, so that did the trick for lighting up, but I am way too high. So I'm going to bring the arc force down to about 130. So it's welding, but that is running way too high.
Here's my two favorites.
I'm going to try to turn the arc force up. So we got a thicker rod, the 6013.
Gas 507. Yeah, 507, thank you.
It's running a lot smoother, but it's too hot. Yeah, it's too hot because it's running through the metal. Let me take that down to 110.
Back engine check, page 5 for cut heads, page 5 for cut heads, we're killing them. Okay.
So here's my first weld. You can see when I turned that up, it was just starting to get way too hot. It was dipping right into that metal. This is a new rod, but it was way too hot. And this is the new rod when I cooled that down a bit. So that thing can definitely glue some metal together. So overall, interesting little welder. Nice and small, easy to carry around. Also just super light. Like surprisingly light. So yeah, that guy will work.